Okay, this is lesson 2.5, which is simplifying larger expressions. And so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to explain the written steps. So for this first one, to distribute, the first step to simplify the expression is to distribute the -2 to the quantity x plus 5. So we're going to take this -2 and we're going to distribute it to both terms in there. You can choose to do the distributing method like this, or do the box method, where the -2 would go on top and the x plus 5 would go on the side. Okay, so I would rewrite everything else, 4x plus 5, and then minus 2x minus 10. The next step is to combine the like terms, which would be 4x and -2, and 5 and -10. So the 4x is a like term, and the -2x is a like term. These are like terms, so I will combine them. 4 minus 2 is 2. And then 5 minus 10 is a -5. And that's your answer. We're going to do a couple more examples together. Okay. You're supposed to do the brain and the hand, but I'm going to go ahead and do these two for you. This should be 10x plus 2 minus 3 times the quantity x plus 3. So I'm going to rewrite this expression. I can't do anything with these yet. 10x plus 2. And then you're going to distribute the -3 to both terms. So -3 times x, and then -3 times a +3. This simplifies to 10x plus 2 minus 3x minus 9. I'm going to combine like terms, 10x and -3x, which is 10 minus 3 is 7. 2 minus 9 is a -7. Number 2, this is 6 plus 4, which is 10, minus, I'm going to do minus 8 times x, minus 8 times the -1. So this is 10 minus 8x. Negative times a negative is a +8. Now I'm going to combine like terms, which is actually the 10 and the 8. We'll rewrite the -8x first. 10 plus 8 is 18. For the next two, it's going to be a little difficult. I'm going to go to the side to do scratch work. Okay. I have double distribution going on. Here's one, and here's the second. I'm going to use the box method this time. So I see I have to distribute the -2 to x minus 5. So -2 times x is -2x. -2 times a -5 is a +10. So this simplifies to -2x plus 10. Next, I'm going to distribute -10 to 2 minus x. -10 times 2 is a -20. -10 times -x is a +10x. Rewrite this, -20 plus 10x. Now I'm going to combine like terms. See, these are my x's. -2x plus 10x is a +8x. +10 minus 20 is a -10. Next is this one. So this, I'm going to bring it to the side and I'm going to do some scratch work. So just like this is 6 times x and this is 2 times x. So just like if you remember, we do like 1/2 times 3/4, right? What we would do is we do 1 times 3 divided by 2 times 4, right? So really, if we wanted to, we can work backwards and start from this and rewrite it as 1/2 times 3/4. So we're going to do that for this one. This is 6 halves times x over x. Because again, 6x, 2x. 6 divided by 2 is 3, and x divided by x is actually 1. Anything divided by itself is 1. So 6x divided by 2x is actually just 3. Then plus 4x, I see I have a distribution. So negative 2 times the quantity x minus 6. Negative 2 times a positive x is a negative 2x. Negative times negative is a positive. 2 times 6 is 12. Rewrite it. Negative 2x plus 12. I'm going to combine like terms. So 4 minus 2 is 2. And then 3 plus 12 is 15. Okay. If you want the answers for 5 through 6 or 5 through 8, check the answer key online.